Men don't fall because they're weak. Men fall because they've forgotten how to listen. You don't know me yet. My name is Voss. I don't speak often. I don't leave the shadows unless the kingdom is out of order. But tonight, I need you to hear something. I once watched a man named Rio. Not a boy, not a rookie, a grown man with a good heart and a strong calling. Rush his own timing. He didn't rush money. He didn't rush purpose. He rushed something far more dangerous, a relationship God never approved. The red flags were there, not subtle, but loud. Spiritual unevenness, unequally yoked, a heart moving toward God. Connected to someone who wasn't. But Rio ignored the warnings, told himself she would change. Told himself love could fix misalignment. Told himself patience could transform someone God never sent. Rushing timing always feels like love. Until the consequences arrive, and they did. Slowly, quietly, then all at once. That relationship didn't just drain him. It almost cost him everything. His peace, his focus, his confidence, his stability, his identity. All slipping through his hands because he tried to build a future on ground God refused to bless. But pay attention here. This is the part men overlook. Even in the fallout, Rio didn't abandon his faith. He didn't blame God. He didn't collapse into bitterness. He leaned in. He fell to his knees. He let the silence strip him clean. He surrendered timing back to the one who owns it. And through that obedience, through that humility, through that painful realignment, God restored what he lost and gave him back even more. Not because Rio forced it, not because he rushed it, but because he finally understood. A disciplined man doesn't chase timing. He aligns with it. There is a rhythm to your comeback, a rhythm to your healing, a rhythm to your purpose. If you rush it, you ruin it. If you fight it, you delay it. But if you listen, everything becomes clear. When Rio stopped arguing with the silence, instruction returned. Wake up earlier. Clean your space. Guard your circle. Remove what's draining you. Rebuild your structure. Honor God first. Move with intention, not speed. Little by little, his strength returned. His clarity sharpened. His spirit stood back up. His purpose unfolded. Not because he chased timing, but because he respected it. What you rush will break. What you respect will grow. And now I'm telling you the same thing I whispered to him. Slow down. Listen. Let God reorder you. Your silence is not punishment. It's preparation. Your delay is not denial. It's protection. Your comeback is not late. It's in alignment. Brandon teaches the heart. Kent teaches discipline. Key teaches strategy. But I teach timing, discernment, alignment, purpose, and soon another voice is coming. One who moves in shadows deeper than mine. But you're not ready for him yet. For now, listen to the silence. It's speaking. If this message reached you at the right moment, like the video, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. The next chapter of your comeback is already unfolding.